Funerals are different these days. They really out here twerking on coffins.
Attention homeowners, can we install one of our designer metal roofs on your home?
She's humping the coffin. No. Ain't no way. Ain't no way she's humping the coffin. Ain't no way she's humping the coffin. Nah, she ain't. Yeah, she is. She's humping the coffin. And she looked like she done bust. Why she look exhausted? Like, so they switching. They switching on the coffins. Oh. Can you just imagine the smell in there? Oh, can you imagine the smell? Oh, I smell. Why is she? What is this? Is this some boy or a girl? They all just humping? What is going? I'm not. Ew. Ew, what is that? Why her lips so at? Y'all leave a comment down below. I'm done.